totally awesome castle. They're shooting this movie right now.
Okay, everybody, let's do this. Lots to do, everyone.
Lots to do.
Did you find the guy you're stalking?
Think I'm about to right now.
Mr. Lee is traveling.
Mr. Lee?
Lucas Lee.
Oh.
Oh?
And roll sound.
Wanna have his adopted babies?
Let's get going. All right, on your marks, everyone.
Oh man, we gotta go.
What line?
I used to date that clown.
And
Action.
Oh my god.
Hey. The only thing keeping me and her apart are the 2 minutes it's gonna take to kick your ass.
You dated a famous guy?
In 9th grade, we had drama. Actually, it might have been math. I just remember there being a lot of drama.
Hey.
He's a snot-nosed little brat. He just followed me around.
He had snot in his nose? But he's famous.
Hey, I'm talking to you, Scott Pilgrim.
He's famous and he talked to me.
The only thing keeping me and her apart is the 2 minutes it's gonna take to kick your ass.
Can I have your... Can I have your autograph, please?
Sup? How's life? He seems nice.
And that's a cut.
Scott! Evil X! Hi.